Respected MD sir, Principal ma'am Mrs. Chandra Chand, and Manager sir Mr. Amar Chand, and my colleague or my academic sir Mr. Sainsav Ali Khan. My dear students, today we will start presentation business environment. So now I would like to introduce firstly Mr. Khan sir. Please sir, come on there.
Allah is the most merciful, beneficial, all of us. We therefore start the name of Allah. Honorable team of management, my colleague, and dear student, I would like to thank all of you to enable me participate in this wonderful platform to provide for presentation of business environment. I am going to describe some views on only environment. After this, student will give on presentation one by one. Refer I here business environment, which consists two terms. First one is business, second is environment. Environment means surrounding conditions in which people, animal, plant live or operates. First of all, I tell you myself. I was alone. I was man. What I came to contact with management, I called the teacher. With the love and support, my student make me a ideal teacher. Environment have threats or opportunities. I want to say, in the last but not least, we have do not equal talent, but we have equal opportunity to develop of talent. Now I would like to call Suhani. She is a brilliant student. Come on, Suhani, deliver your presentation. Thanks.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. My name is Suhani, and today I am standing here to tell you about my topic, business environment. Now, before starting my topic, I want to ask a question. What is the environment? If anyone knows, please raise your hand. Yes,
The environment of any organization include all conditions, events, and influence around and effective.
thank you. As Cassis has been told the meaning of business environment. Now, business is an organization or enterprise, entity engaged commercial, industrial and professional activities. Now, I would like to tell you about definition of business environment. Business environment refers to a force, factor, individual and institution which control business enterprise by the mere effort in performance. For example, it increase in taxes by government can make things reduce expensive to buy. Second, it increase competition of market to reduce profit of margin firms. Now I would like to tell you about importance of business environment. First, it is effort to opportunity first mover advantage. Second, it help effort of threats early warning signal. Third, it is improving performance. Now I would like to tell you about dimension of business environment. Dimension of business environment is a refer to factor, forces, individual and institution which are direct or indirect. General environment is the most important dimension of a business environment. There are 5 dimensions of business environment. First, economical. Second, social. Third, political. Fourth, legal. Fifth, technological. Now, thanks to Khan sir and Toy sir to provide a great opportunity to be a part of this presentation. Now, I would like to call my friend Priyanka. She is tell you about economical environment. Thank you. competitions. This may be things like the amount of competitions, growth of business environment, the amount of competitions within the business, the amount of buyers and sellers in the market. For example, there are a lot of cafes. All the cafes sell the same product, but it depends on the conditions of the cafe, which he would sell the product in which price. The external environments on the business, operate to create the internal or external product. Economical environment refers to a factor or a force which directly proportional to the operation, which is directly depend on our economic or our country. First, rate of a economic or a country, or role of public and private sector, money of supply. Now I would like to call Ria, and she will tell you about social environment.
Good morning to one and all who are present here. I am Riya, standing here to tell you about my topic, and my topic is social environment. So, what is social environment? Social environment refers to consist of custom and traditions of a society in which businesses exist. Basically, standard of living, taste, religious and education level of the people who are living in a society, that all are depends on a business, and the business is existing. So for example of social environment are the celebration of Diwali, Eid, Guru Parv, etc. So there is the increasement of a sales of sweets, greeting cards, etc. And the factor of social environment are change in quality in the life, etc. Now I would like to thank the Khan sir and Thoit sir to giving me a great opportunity to be a part of this presentation. Now I would like to call my friend Khushi, and she will tell you about political environment.
Good morning, one and all present here. Myself, Khushi Chand. Today I am standing here to tell about political environment. Political environment constitutes all the factor related government affairs in the part of a political environment. Impact of political environment: first, labor; second, tax; third, subsidies; fourth, environmental. So how will we do the political environmental heavy rise? The Bharatiya Janata Party is a major political party in India. It was founded in 1983. It advocated nationalism. The Congress Party is known as the Indian National Congress Party, major political party in India. It was founded in 1885. After India got freedom, 1947, the Indian National Congress become our dominant political party in India. At last, I would like to say thank you Khan sir and Thoit sir to give me this opportunity to speak on this presentation. Next, I would like to call my friend Dipesh to speak about legal environment.
Good afternoon everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Khan sir and Thoit sir who give a big opportunity to us to perform in this presentation. Let me introduce myself. Myself Dipesh. Today I am standing here to tell you about legal environment. The management of every business enterprise has to obey the law of land. Therefore, it is essential for every business environment to regulation and the rules followed by the government authority. Legal environment includes various law and legislative acts and administrative orders issued by the government authority. To work successfully in India, the business enterprise must have detail about Companies Act 1956, Industrial Act 1951, FEMA and Union Territory Act 1926. Some aspects of legal environment are legal policy related to licensing and legal policy related to licensing and foreign trade, foreign exchange regulation and management act, and law to keep a check on advertisement. For example, advertisement on alcohol product is prohibited. At last, I would like to call my friend Subham Chand, who is going to tell me about the technological environment. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My topic is technological environment. Technological environment. Technology is affecting our daily life. Technology is a scientific improvement of technology includes the scientific importance and customization. So scientific technology help in the management of our business. Like if there will be technology, so the worker can work properly, and it will time consuming if there is no technology. So there are some features of technology. The technology help in our business, and we need less worker for doing a business. By technology, by providing a nice softwares, they help in advertising. All the advertisement can be done by the technology. And third, the technology can be used for advertisement, for such as the ROM, RAM, and advertising organizations or advertisement forms are available in the online transaction. So by that we can easily do transactions, and the technology may help in providing us the more efficient, time consuming and more efficient way to improve ourselves. For example, there is a worker working in organization. If he use the computer, so the computers, with the help of computer, he can be more beneficial, and he will feel confident and use the technology. So the technology helps in everything in our daily life also. So I thank you, Khan sir and Toy sir, for giving me this opportunity in this presentation. Now I call Khushi. She will tell you about the conclusion.
Good afternoon, respected principal ma'am, respected teacher, and my dear friend. My name is Kashish Rawat. So today I will conclude business environment. So let us recall meaning of business environment. The economical, social, technological, political, and other forces which are outside the business enterprises are the part of business environment. So let us recall dimensions of business environment. As previously Suhani had told that there are 5 dimensions of business environment. So let us recall all those 5 dimensions of business environment briefly. At first, social business environment. Social business environments immediate and direct impact on business, and recent change in economic and fiscal policies of country have encouraged and rise. Next, social business environment, as it include various social forces such as custom, literacy rate, educational level, etc. For example, nowadays people are paying more attention towards their health, and it results the demand for mineral water. Next, technological business environment. It provides new and advanced technology of work for production. A business must monitor technological change, which helps the organization to improve the quality of product and facing competition. For example, people are placing traditional watches to digital watches and booking their tickets online. Next, political business environment. Change in political situation also affect in business. So political stability builds confidence on business, whereas instability and bad laws brings uncertainty in business. For example, Bangalore and Hyderabad are the most popular location for IT due to the support of political climate. At last but not the least, legal business environment. The management of every business enterprises must obey the law of land. The business have to perform their legislation, and their knowledge is very necessary. For example, advertisement of alcoholic product, it is compulsory to give statutory warning in their advertisement. I hope I am able to conclude business environment. At last, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am, Khan sir and Toit sir to giving me that opportunity to be a part of this presentation. Thank you. Next, I would like to call Khan sir to speak 2 words for us. Thank you.
थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ यू। आज तो बहुत ही बेहतर तरीके से आप लोगों ने प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है, तो अपने आप में एक खूबसूरत लम्हा, और साथ में हमने जो बिजनेस पे 3 प्रेजेंटेशन दिए, अब नेक्स्ट हम लोग अकाउंट्स के बारे में जो एक टीम बनाई हुई है, उस टीम के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग अपना काम करेंगे। तो थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू, हैव अ नाइस डे, थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ यू।